Hello everybody, welcome back to Wayneo's Rod House. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a bobber stopper. If I can see it good enough to do it, because I'm doing this looking through the camera, so y'all bear with me. So you just take your bobber stopper and your line, and you run your line through the bobber stopper. Got to make sure you get it through that little tube. Now once you get it through the tube, you just see how it's running through that tube. Now once you get it through that tube, you take your string here and you pull it off of that tube. Now once you get that off that tube, get rid of that tube. You don't need it no more. Then you take your bobber stopper and tighten it up on your string, just like that. Give it a little snug, kind of tighten it down. Then you take the excess, see all that excess string? Leave you just enough to pull, to tighten it back up if you have to. And just cut the rest of that off, because you won't need it anymore. Sorry about that, dropped the fingernail clippers. And we just cut that off. And that's what you have. Now the good thing about this bobber stopper is that you can reel it all the way up in your reel and cast with it. So you can move it up and down the line, set your depth. Now the way I set these up, when I want to fish with a bobber, I get these little beads. And if I can see the hole, I'll show you. And I'll put that bead on that line if I can find the hole. Might take me a minute to find the hole. My eyesight ain't what it used to be. And now you got that bead right up against that bobber stopper. Then I'll take my bobber and I'll run that line through the center of that bobber, that plastic tube in that bobber. Get that thing in there. And now you're ready to go. Now you can set this bobber stopper anywhere up and down your line, depending on what depth you're fishing at. Make it 6 foot, make it 3 foot, make it 20 foot. And the good thing about a bobber stopper is that you can reel it up and it won't get tangled in your reel. Well, I just thought I'd show you how I do it. Thank y'all for tuning in and thank you for looking. Wayneo's Rod House saying, until the next one, go fishing and happy RVing.